Hey guys, I'm back, and today in this video I'll actually show you how to screenshot your desktop computer screen. I know most of you already know this, but somebody asked me, so yeah, this is for that. Alright, let's get started. It's very simple. Okay, first of all you have to go to start menu, and then you have to search snipping tool. That's the actual one way to do it with the help of this tool. You're gonna have to click here, new. Okay, and then just take this point and you can select everything you wanna, like this. Okay, and it will take the screenshot of everything that you have selected. Alright, like this, and you can click save as, and you can save the file. Alright, that's the one way. Now the second step is to press print screen key. Okay, PRTSC in your keyboard. Okay, like this, PRTSC keyboard. Press that. Windows plus run, MS Paint, Control V. There you go, and you can save as, you can save. That's the same work. Okay, just in case if you don't have snipping tool, for some reasons, I don't know, maybe. So that's how you screenshot your computer. Okay, please make sure to comment, rate and subscribe. Okay, help me reach 1k subscriber. I really need that 1k subscriber, guys.